Self-improvement is my beloved pursuit, a transformative journey of growth, enlightenment, and personal empowerment. Well, these are just a few examples, but hobbies can be How can you make your hobbies sound more interesting? Well, hobbies exhibit your personality, and you want to make yourself seem as interesting as possible in your introduction, right? Well, let's talk about and explore some of the most common hobbies and some uncommon ideas and ways to describe them. The first thing you need to do is highlight one or two hobbies that you're most fond of, and then choose the best way to showcase them. Well, it's great to have variety in life. So let me give you a couple of options for each kind of hobby so that you have a variety of things to choose from. Let's begin with reading. So in case you're a reader, you can say something like this. I'm a bookworm, always lost in stories from different worlds. Or you can say something like this. Through the pages of history and imagination, I embark on literary voyages, discovering worlds both real and fantastical, one word at a time. Of course, you don't have to do the actions, that was just for special effect. But if you're an avid reader, you know what to say. Well, if we spoke about reading, we must also now talk about writing as a hobby, right? So for all the writers out there, here's something you can use for your introduction. I love writing stories, painting pictures with my keyboard. Or you can use something like this. I'm an avid word sculptor, crafting stories and molding narratives through the strokes of my keyboard. Well, that was for all the readers and the writers. But what about those extraordinary chefs who cook up some great meals in the kitchen? So in case cooking is your hobby, this is how you can describe it. Cooking is my hobby, experimenting with new flavors in the kitchen. Short, simple and sweet, right? Or there is another way that you can use. In the culinary laboratory of my kitchen, I concoct flavors and aromas, turning ordinary ingredients into extraordinary gastronomic delights. That already sounds very delicious to me, and that also makes me hungry, you know. Well, that was for all the talented and extraordinary chefs. But what about those who love taking pictures with their camera? Meaning to say, what about our photographers, right? So in case photography is your hobby, here's something you can say. Taking pictures with my camera, I love capturing moments that speak volumes. Or, taking pictures is my thing, capturing moments that speak volumes. Or you can also say this, exploring the world through the lens of my camera. I capture moments that speak volumes in silence. Creative, right? And what about traveling? What would you say in your introduction if traveling is your passion? Let me tell you. I love traveling for the new cultures, adventures, and perspectives it brings. Or, traveling is my passion. It enriches my life by exposing me to new cultures, adventures, and perspectives. And what about dancing? What if dancing is your passion or hobby? What would you say in your introduction? Consider these examples. Dance is my passion, offering a unique blend of self-expression and physical vitality. Or simply, I love dancing because it lets me express myself and stay physically active. And what about the musically inclined? Well, in case music is your hobby, we have equally creative introductions for you. You can introduce yourself in the following manner. Playing music is my escape, losing myself in melodies. Or, lost in the melodies of keys and strings, I sculpt musical soundscapes that resonate with the soul. Well, that's how it is with music. And what about art? Personally, if you ask me, I think art is food for the soul. But that's just my thought. In case you're an artist, here's what you should say. Drawing landscapes is my jam, especially when I'm out in nature. Or, painting is my passion, breathing life into blank canvases. Or you could also say something like this. With each stroke of my brush, I breathe life into blank canvases, weaving emotions and dreams into vibrant tapestries. Sounds interesting, right? And in case coding is your thing, this is what you should say. I'm into coding, building cool stuff online. Or, navigating the digital realm, I wield lines of code like a maestro, orchestrating symphonies of functionality and beauty. And in case you're a foodie, here's what you should say. As a complete foodie, I enjoy eating different foods, discovering new flavors and experiences. Or, exploring diverse cuisines is my hobby, savoring each bite as a culinary adventure. Of course, food is an adventure after all, right? And in case gaming is what you like to do, here's what you can say. Gaming is my cherished hobby, a realm where I escape into immersive adventures and conquer thrilling challenges. Or, gaming is my favorite pastime, where I escape into virtual worlds and exciting challenges. And in case physical fitness is on your list of hobbies, here's what you should say. Physical fitness fuels my spirit, a pathway to strength, resilience, and self-discovery. Or simply, physical fitness is my passion, a pathway to strength, resilience, and personal growth. Speaking of physical fitness, a lot of us may also have yoga as a cherished hobby. In case yoga is your thing, here's what you can say. I find peace in yoga and meditation, maintaining balance between mind and body. Or, from the serene depths of meditation to the graceful movements of yoga, I explore the vast expanses of inner peace and physical harmony. And in case you love to sing your heart out, here's what you can say. Singing is my joyous hobby, where melodies soar and emotions find their voice. Or, singing is my hobby. It brings me joy and lets me express myself through music. And in case self-improvement is your beloved pursuit, here's what you can say. Self-improvement is my ongoing pursuit, a journey of growth, learning, and personal empowerment. Or, self-improvement is my beloved pursuit, a transformative journey of growth, enlightenment, and personal empowerment. Well, these are just a few examples, but hobbies can be as diverse as people are. So there are countless other possibilities out there. You can feel free to adapt these descriptions to your own unique hobbies and personality. You can also be very specific and talk about the exact activity that you enjoy doing. Framing your introduction in this manner and also talking about why you enjoy a particular activity will make it seem much more interesting and help the other person know a little more about you. You can set yourself apart from the crowd by making your introduction as interesting and as insightful as possible. I know I don't need to tell you why you need to be creative with your introduction. I mean, who doesn't want to stand out and be memorable, right? But don't